All right, what's good, everybody? Welcome to Money Moves. This is a new episode, and we're going to talk about what's going on in India with the new 30% tax that they're implementing. So, check this out. Look at this article that I stumbled across. So, Indian crypto exchanges report sharp drop in transaction volume after 30% tax kicked. Woo, 30%. So, let me know what you guys think in the comment box. If 30% is way too much for taxation, because some people believe that if you're going to tax crypto, then people who are skeptical about it are now going to participate in it because it's quote unquote regulated now. But 30% seems a bit steep. So, according to this article, they're already witnessing a drop when it comes to the transaction volume. So let's read along on the episode. So, since the new crypto tax came into effect on April 1st, Indian digital assets exchanges have witnessed a sharp fall in transaction volumes. The final days of March also saw panic selling. So people in India are starting to show with their transaction volumes how they feel about this tax. You know, right here the article says some people sold off and some people saw a big decline. So crypto transactions plummet in India. Sharing volume graph of our four leading exchanges, CoinDCX, BITBNS, ZepPay, and WazirX on April 30. Crypto Industry Insider tweeted Indian exchanges saw volume drop after new crypto tax rules become applicable on April 1st. So, do you think if this was implemented in the United States of America, that we will see a sharp decline in crypto transactions? Because you know what, the beautiful thing right now with crypto is that the United States government right now is, the rumor has it that the government is starting to implement, they're trying to draft their own regulations as to how they want to proceed with this. And India has already jumped in and said, you know what, 30%, we're going to get our cut. And and they're starting to see some transaction volumes decrease. So a news report attributing the data to crypto research and rating from Kreb Echo Global said that transaction volume and domain traffic at major Indian crypto exchanges dropped up to 55% and 40% respectively. So that's about half how much decline they have seen, these big crypto exchanges in India. About 55 to 40% on the low end. That is quite dramatic, man, to see that much of a drop. So let's go along the article and see what else they have to say about this. So WizardX said its domain traffic declined from over 70 million to 40 million, and CoinDCX from 19 million to 12 million, ZepPay from 15 million to 4.4 million, and BitBNS from 11 million to 9.9 million. The media coverage said, wow, millions of people on the, just imagine, just from the exchange's perspective, how much decline of transactions they've seen, of revenue that they are receiving. So this one, the main one, WizardX, lost 30 million. Okay, then you go to CoinDCX, 7 million. ZepPay, it lost roughly around 11 million, and BTX, it was about 1.1. So man, this is crazy to see how much volume has dropped. And I wonder if the exchanges in America have that concern as well, if this was to be implemented here. So let's go along to see what else this article says about what's going on in India when it comes to the 30% tax. So make sure, if you leave a comment and tell me what you think about this 30% tax. Leave a comment, subscribe to Money Moves. You know, this is all about, informing ourselves on what's going on and when it comes to all things money, whether it's crypto, real estate, and stocks. So let's read along. So over the past weeks, local media has been voicing concerns that the new crypto taxes may drive small investors away from centralized exchanges to decentralized exchanges, terming the latter as a gray market. That's a big deal to deal with, because I believe right now there's a lot of, from the people that I come across, a lot of small investors are now getting into it, and because it's being promoted to the masses now, and it's becoming the popular thing to invest in. And and I can see how it's having an effect on small investors, because not everyone, and right now, especially with inflation, people want to put their money where they feel it could have a sufficient amount of growth or at least maintain, versus right now with the inflation in America, it's about like 8% that you're losing. So crypto taxation amid regulatory vacuum. So introducing the budget from 2022 to 2023, the Indian government levied a 30% tax on profits and 1% on TDS on all cryptocurrency transactions. What makes these taxes all more painful for investors is the losses on one asset can't offset against profit on another coin. That's a good point. Experts feel that these provisions will make the Indian crypto market uncompetitive, and the country may lose the edge that it may have otherwise. So, every country and a lot of countries and other places in America, like Miami, wants to be the Bitcoin hub, and then you have El Salvador's president trying to make it their country a Bitcoin hub. Is all these countries are trying to figure out what to do when it comes to crypto, because they want this revenue and they want their piece of the pie of it. And 30%, it looks like they're losing money. So I wonder if other states and other countries are going to realize, like, you know what, we can't, if we want to make profits off crypto as a government, we should look at as what's going on in India and not do the same mistake. So they were presented as part of the annual budget in the Indian parliament in early February this year, and generated a considerable amount of debate, with some lawmakers calling for a more favorable environment for the crypto industry, while others demanding an even more stringent tax regime. What makes crypto taxes fearsome is the lack of regulation that makes dealing in digital assets double risky. The Indian government says it wants to wait for a global consensus to emerge on regulation issues before it comes up with its own. So 30% tax. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box. 30% tax, way too much? I think it is. I think, as you can see from this article, that they're just losing money by in the transaction volume. And people need to realize who it affects as well. So the Indian government is not going to receive as much profits as they thought they were going to get. The small investors are now not going to be investing as much as they were. And you can see from the exchanges, the amount of money and volume that they're losing. So yeah, this is a great article, and it's a thing to keep your eye on, because you know what, it may have a ripple effect on what other countries do. So again, this is Money Moves. Thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, share this video, comment in the comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this. So again, thank you for joining. Peace.